Imagine, if you will, a Rubik's Cube. This multicolored, three-dimensional puzzle that's been a source of fascination and frustration for millions worldwide since its invention in the late 1970s. Now consider this. What if human behavior could be likened to solving a Rubik's Cube? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? A Rubik's Cube is complex, just like our behaviors. With its 6 faces, each consisting of 9 squares and 6 different colors, it presents an intricate challenge. Similarly, human behavior is multifaceted. Each individual has unique characteristics, emotions, experiences, and perceptions, creating a complex puzzle of personality traits and behaviors. Each twist and turn of a Rubik's Cube changes the entire configuration. This mirrors how our behaviors and reactions are subject to change based on different situations, interactions, and experiences. A calm individual can become irate in heavy traffic, just as a single twist can disrupt the harmony of colors on a Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube also represents diversity, with its variety of colors. It's akin to the array of human behaviors and personalities that we encounter in society. No two individuals are exactly alike, just as no two solved Rubik's Cubes reach the solution through the exact same sequence of moves. Solving a Rubik's Cube requires patience and persistence. It's not about quick fixes or shortcuts, but about understanding the method and taking the time to apply it. Similarly, understanding human behavior isn't a straightforward task. It demands patience, willingness to learn, and adaptability. Moreover, a Rubik's Cube, once scrambled, doesn't provide a guide to its solution. It requires trial and error, much like navigating human behaviors. We make mistakes, learn from them, and adapt our strategies, constantly evolving in our understanding of ourselves and others. Lastly, just as a Rubik's Cube can be solved in a multitude of ways, so too can human behavior be interpreted from various perspectives. Psychologists, sociologists, and anthropologists all look at human behavior through different lenses, much like different solving methods for the Rubik's Cube. To summarize, the analogy of a Rubik's Cube and human behavior is a compelling one. Both are complex and multifaceted, susceptible to change, and represent diversity. Both require patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn through trial and error, and both can be interpreted in a multitude of ways. So the next time you see a Rubik's Cube, remember this analogy. It might just provide a fresh perspective on understanding the intricate puzzle that is human behavior. Just as we've compared human behavior to the intricate puzzle of a Rubik's Cube, let's delve a little deeper into this analogy. When solving a Rubik's Cube, we often rely on algorithms, a set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations. These algorithms are essentially instructions that guide us to the solution. In a similar vein, psychologists, sociologists, and anthropologists often utilize theoretical frameworks, or algorithms of a sort, to understand and predict human behavior. These frameworks help structure our observations and provide predictability, just like the algorithms used in solving a Rubik's Cube. But remember, just as there are multiple algorithms to solve a Rubik's Cube, there are also multiple theories and perspectives to understand human behavior. It's about finding the one that fits the scenario best. So whether you're turning the faces of a Rubik's Cube or trying to decipher the complexities of human behavior, remember this. Algorithms, in essence, provide a roadmap to understanding the complexity of both a Rubik's Cube and human behavior.